Hello guys, welcome back. If you remember, while I was discussing the section on functions, I told you there are two types of functions, call by value and two types of callings in functions. One is call by value and the other is call by reference. So we have discussed the call by value, but while I was discussing the call by reference, I told you whenever I'll complete the chapters and pointers, I told I'll explain the call by reference then. Since we have completed the pointer basics, I'm going to explain the call by reference, which is a part inside the functions now. Okay, so let's get started. What I'm going to discuss, call by reference. Okay, if you remember, while we are discussing the functions, we have written a sum for functions. Okay, how have we written? First, include a library file stdio.h and then write a main function and then declare two variables of integers and then scan those two variables. Okay, how to scan? %d since these are integers, comma ampersand a comma ampersand b. This is how we scan, and then I'm going to call a function called sum with these two integers, and I have to declare a sum with the return type int and sum, and I have to pass x and y as the arguments, and inside this function I'll return x plus y. And since we have declared a function, since we have initialized a function, we have to declare that function. And yeah, I'm going to introduce a new variable called c, and I'm going to print the value of c. Comma c. Now just try to, okay, I'm going to name it as ref. Okay, call by reference. See, we have an error. So what is the error we have? We haven't initialized the x and y. So these are the return types of x and y. We have to initialize in both the cases. Okay, now it worked. 3 4, the sum is 7. So to be more specific, I'm going to print enter two numbers to add. Okay, and then the sum is, and here I'm going to write a new line, then see 2 3, the sum is 5. Cool. So this is how we use the call by value. We are calling the function by value. But now I have to discuss the call by reference. Reference is nothing but the address. So we have to call the pointers now. So how to call the pointers? Okay, so I am going to pass the address of a and b. Okay, how to pass the address? Using ampersand symbol. So we have passed the address. So what we need to declare here? The pointers. The address will be catched by the pointers. Okay, pointers. So in the declaration also, initialization also, we have to declare the pointers. So I'm going to return the pointer of x plus the pointer of y. This is nothing but the call by reference. We are calling a function through its address. Okay, so now I'm going to execute. It has executed perfectly. 34 plus 5 is 39. Yeah, the output is correct. So this is the call by reference. The difference between call by value and call by reference is we'll call the value in call by value, but we'll call a function by its reference, that is by its address, in call by reference. Okay, so whenever we pass the address, we'll catch it as a pointer inside the declared function. So this is the basic difference between call by value and call by reference. This is a very simple lecture, the only we have seen the difference between call by value and call by reference, and we have written a program or executed a code using call by reference, and you have something extra now, right? I mean, you came to know how to use this reference now. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.